2005 Nissan Frontier. What a joke. Simple alternator job. It's not bad enough you have to take the inner fender well off, which is really not a big deal. It's pretty easy. Then you got to get to the two bolts. This one and that one. No big deal. Then it comes to the wiring. First off, they have this wiring so tight there is zero slack in the wiring. So not only that, you have to go back in here, and then you guys had to attach the wire loom in two spots, which is almost impossible to access. This right here is the hardest part of this job, and this is an engineering fail. Give me a break, you guys.
Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.